Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have an unboxing to do. I'm not even really sure what this is yet. It came in the mail when I was out of town, so I'm just now doing the unboxing. Oh yes, I had ordered some bath bombs. This is Arizona Blue, and I found her, she has a website, but I found her on Etsy. The packaging is fabulous. I know I saw a, let's see. Thanks so much, have an amazing week. Love Blue. Oh, is her name Blue? That's so cool. Alright, so I ordered quite a bit of goodies, but they're really cute. They are about, I don't know. Oh, it says 0.95. I don't know. Oh no, that's 95 cents is how much they were. It doesn't matter. These are, they're not huge bombs. Like, they're not lush. Oh, 1.5 ounces. And they are, she had a sale where they were 95 cents. So I bought a bunch because why not, right? For 95 cents. And it smells so good, guys. I cannot even tell you how good. I'm excited to see what I got. Okay, and she has some instructions on here. Place your bath bomb in hot water. It's best to wait until the bath bomb is completely dissolved before entering the tub. Oh, I didn't know that. Stir the water to fully disperse the colors, oils, and fragrance. Enjoy a fabulous scent and skin softening oils. Take a deep breath and relax. When done, immediately drain and rinse the tub. Oil may cling to the sides, so to remove any residue that stays behind, simply rinse with hot water, then wipe off with liquid soap, shampoo, or dish soap before it dries if needed. It is recommended to shower after in case there is any residue left on your skin. You must have a very clean tub prior to the colorants can stick to the soap scum. Keep in mind colorants can temporarily discolor skin if the bath bomb is handled while dissolving. So there we go. Okay, so let's see. It tells us what scent it is on here. Yes, so peppermint. I'm going to try not to open all of them. I'm just going to try to... Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, my men like peppermint because they think that it helps relieve, like, muscle relaxant and all of that. Actually, I think I learned that. So I get them peppermint. So this is for my guys. I'll spread it out between Dennis and Alex. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And it looks like I should have 2 that are pink. And it's called Midnight Vanilla. Okay. These are like the perfect size. I'm loving it. Oh, that's a little harder to smell. I'm going to have to open one. Oh, it smells really good. I smell vanilla, which is a wonderful scent to me. I love vanilla. So I don't know what the midnight is supposed to do, but I am loving the vanilla scent. So there's should be 2 of those. Yes. And then the scent is lemon lavender stripe. So that's this one. Oh, how cute that is. Again, 95 cents. Oh, that smells wonderful. I can smell the lemon and the lavender. Oh, that smells really, really nice. I like that a lot. I got 2 of those. And then I got cotton candy because I just love cotton candy. So I got 3 of these, and I'll have to share it with my daughter. Maybe. They had lots of sizes of these, but I just went for the 95-cent ones. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Oh, that is a good cotton candy smell. Oh, yay. I love a nice, good cotton candy smell. And then I have birthday cake, which is these. And these were $1.65. And these are 1.65 ounces. Oh, that smells good too. This smells really good. It smells like birthday cake, but it's not as good, I don't think, as the cotton candy. But it's a cute heart. Oh, but it is good. Sweet smell. And then green Fruit Loops. So there's 2 of these. And again, these were 95 cents. Oh, wow. Yeah, that smells very much like Fruit Loops. That's hilarious. Oh, I was thinking Fruity Pebbles in my head, but it's so weird because there is a difference, and this is Fruit Loops, not Fruity Pebbles. That's so wild. And then the last one that I think I got are these. These are cookie bath bombs. Yes, this is the last one. These are Bath Fizzies, and they are in cherry vanilla. So let me smell these. Oh my gosh, that smells fabulous. Oh, I love it. So these are fizzies. And then everything else I got are bath bombs. There's a little piece of glue. And so let me tell you what I spent if it's on here. So my item totals were $18.90. And then I did pay $9.47 for shipping. So my total was $28.04. But honestly, I think that's a pretty good deal considering. And I don't know if there is a discount for shipping or, you know, it's Etsy. So I just, and she did package it very well. And look at that. And I don't mind when they don't overcharge for shipping, even if it is expensive, because shipping is expensive. But look at this fun. Yay. I need to take a bath. All right. Well, thanks, guys, for watching, and check her out. Again, the name of her store is Arizona Blue, and it's Arizona Blue Company, CO, on Etsy. It's Arizona, ARIZONA, Blue, BLUE, Company, co.etsy.com. So check her out. Thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. I'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.